Welcome to Bitcoin News today on the 10th of September 2018. I'm James, and today we've got news of the SEC suspending trading of Bitcoin and related Ethereum products, and also some good news for you on why the Bitcoin price is going to go up. Another reason. So first of all, the news. So today, two cryptocurrency related securities, Bitcoin Tracker 1 and Ether Tracker 1, were slapped with a suspension notice by the SEC. They've cited confusion over materials characterizing the products as exchange traded funds. Both securities are listed on the Stockholm Stock Exchange, part of Nasdaq's Nordic markets. So the regulator said that broker-dealer application materials and trading websites characterize the products as ETFs, listed funds that track a basket of assets, but instead they are non-equity linked certificates, the SEC said, citing the product's issuer. The SEC ordered trading to be halted until September the 20th. It appears that there is a lack of current, consistent and accurate information concerning Bitcoin Tracker 1. And that is according to the SEC, and they added, the Commission is of the opinion that the public interest and the protection of investors require a suspension of trading in the securities of the above quoted company. And please note that this does apply to people in the US only. They are still being traded in the in Europe and, as far as I know, the rest of the world. XBT Provider is owned by London-based investment firm CoinShares. CoinShares was not immediately available for comment when contacted by CNBC. Nasdaq had not returned a request for comment at the time of publication. Investors had been hopeful that the SEC will grant a cryptocurrency ETF this year, but have been left disappointed by multiple rejections and postponements. And if you're a regular to my channel, you know all about those. And we are waiting till I think it's the 30th of September for the news regarding the SIBO ETF. This year, the regulator has rejected a fund proposed by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, postponed a conclusion on whether to approve Van Eck and SolidX's proposed ETF, and blocked several other proposals as well. So very US-centric news there, and I do know that a lot of you are watching from the United Kingdom, where I'm based, and also in Africa. Bitcoin trading is extremely popular as well, so we mustn't forget that. But some good news here on the Bitcoin price. We have seen a gap in the Bitcoin futures contracts, and as you know, these gaps are always filled. The gap occurred between the 7th and the 9th, so this happened at the weekend, and the gap is between the values of $6,349 and, let's see, $6,385. So this is good news. It means the Bitcoin price will rise to fill that gap. The gaps are always filled quite quickly, and we did see a gap that I mentioned previously, that was this gap here between 31st of August and the 2nd of September. There was a big gap, and that got filled when the price did drop on the 5th of September, and that triggered off this big sell-off here. Why are people selling at these low prices? Do let me know in the comments, but surprising that people are willing to sell for so little. The Bitcoin shorts that you can see here on the blue line are still at quite a high level. If we go to the 1 day chart and go back to, I normally use the Coinbase chart here, then you can see that we're well below the different moving averages that I've got on this chart. The stochastic RSI is very low, and the RSI is quite low at 35. So this represents a good opportunity to buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but if you would like $10 worth of Bitcoin free, click the link in the video description. One other piece of technical analysis that I can share with you is that the price now appears to be in this triangle pattern, or a descending wedge. And what happens when we see this pattern is typically the breakout should be to the upside when the price gets squeezed into this closer and closer pattern. And the way to calculate what the upside will be is you draw a line. Let's go to the arrow, and from where it starts you draw a line and then simply move this line to the expected breakout point, which would be approximately here roughly. So take off that auto and let's move that down. So we're looking for a target of over $10,000 by the 17th of December according to this estimation. But let's see how this plays out between now and then. Do give the video a like, click that thumbs up button if you appreciated the content. Check out this video as well that I'm sure you will love, and I really appreciate you subscribing if you'd like more videos like this. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye for now.